Good morning, friends. I am Vijay Kumar KB. In this video, I would like to give an introduction to socio-political and cultural condition of the time in 14th century. 14th century in English literature is an age of transition. England is moving away from the branded title of medieval period. The better called Dark Age as a Renaissance period of progress and development. The timeline of 1300 to 1400 is called as 14th century. It is an age of disruption as many unexpected things happened like Hundred Years' War, the Great Famine, Black Death, and so forth. The social, economic, political condition of England and even Europe is distressed, and also it is the beginning of the new era of suppressed artistic and cultural activities. England, after the collapse of Roman Empire, is targeted by many invasions. Ireland, Germany, and French attacked England from various regions, and they have tried to establish their power over England is a turning point in the history of England. In the beginning, Ireland invaded England, then Anglo-Saxon established their role in England. They ruled up to 11th century. They united the east and the western part of England. Around 7th century, they converted to Christianity, and later on assimilated with the English identity. Anglo-Saxon contested against Vikings and Normans. Normans are successful in defeating the Saxons and established their authority over England along with Angles, that is Anglo-Norman. They brought many reformation in the administration of the country. They built many castles, monasteries in England and maintained the documents in the Domesday Book. Normans gave stable governance, but natural calamities and political upheavals disturbed the order of the society. Social life of 14th century England. In the history of England, 14th century has been marked by its natural calamities which created disorder in the society. They can be viewed as harbinger of change in the social system or a destroyer of a social order in the society. Before the disasters, England society was based on the feudal system. The common man was under the pressure of providing free service to the people in the higher order. The bonded laborers are not free in the society. The hierarchy system was followed very strictly in the society. Even religiously, people were under the supervision of the church. Their life was under the control of religion. The people devoted and religious nature was exploited by the clergymen. Around 1315 to 1317, the Great Famine hit England and Europe. It not only affected on the crops but also on the cattle and sheep. People lost their sources of income. Many lost their lives and others left for towns. Crime and diseases increased in the society. Along with the famine, people faced Black Death. Black Death and bubonic plague has taken away half of the population of England. There were no people left to serve the lords. The demand for the labours increased. So the labor class demanded higher wages. They rejected to work as bonded laborers. When their demands are not fulfilled, the peasants revolted in 1381. Almost 15,000 villages were deserted at this time. Scarcity of the labor forced scarcity of the labor force demanded for new inventions, and it resulted with industrialization. New technologies and machineries are invented. Now let us concentrate on the political conditions of 14th century. So as we know, 100 years of war with England, Scotland and France, and then Black Death, famine, and increase in crime rate has been witnessed in this 14th century. Political conditions. Henry III is successful in establishing a stable government. He tried to bring changes in the administration, but the French invaded England again and again, which ended up with 100 years war. But the war affected on economic stability of the country. To recoup the expenses of the war, the new taxes like poll tax are introduced. To limit the consumption of luxury goods and wages of the workers, new laws are framed. A gap was created between the working class and the lords. So now let us look into the literary condition or the life of England. Normans introduced French artistic style in England. French language and literature is also introduced. Early poems were written in French language. Romantic poems and courtly love poems, which were popular genre of France, are introduced in England. Local religious works are only written in local English language. All other literature is still being produced in French and Latin. The influential work, Canterbury Tales of Chaucer, is written in a unique English style. The poetry of this series is filled with allegory and symbolism. They focused on the religious and social themes. Music and singing are very popular in the medieval England. Music is used in religious ceremonies and court occasions. So the summary of the session goes like this. Chaucer is the product of his times. As we know, The Black Death effects on social political conditions of the people, rise of nationalism and 100 years war, influence of French literature on English creative writing is rampant. Independent English themes and subjects are introduced in the 14th century by various classical writers. For further reference, you can refer David Deutsch's A Critical History of English Literature, Nair Pramod K. A Short History of English Literature, India, Cambridge University Press, Hudson, an outline history of English literature, New Delhi, BI publication, Grierson, J.C. Herbert, and J.C. Smith, A Critical History of English Poetry, London, Chateau, and Windows Limited, 1965. Dear students, you can go through the uploaded video very minutely and uh, if you reread, if you follow the video, it will enlighten you about the conditions of England in 14th century. With this, I conclude my video. So thank you.